Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 2.2. Solve the following linear equations. Question 1 is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals x by 3 plus 1 by 4. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4. X by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Now the LCM of 2, 3 is 6 and 4, 5 is 20. Therefore, 3x minus 2x by 6 equals 5 plus 4 by 20. X by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. X equals 54 by 20. X equals 27 by 10. Therefore, the value of x is 27 by 10. Question 2 is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Now the LCM of 2, 4, and 6 is 12. Therefore, 6n minus 9n plus 10n by 12 is equal to 21. 7n by 12 is equal to 21. 7n equals 21 into 12. N equals 21 into 12 by 7. N equals 36. Therefore, the value of n is 36. Question 3 is x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. X minus 8x by 3 plus 5x by 2 equals 17 by 6 minus 7. Now the LCM of 1, 2, and 3 is 6. Therefore, 6x minus 16x plus 15x by 6 equals 17 minus 42 by 6. 5x by 6 equals minus 25 by 6. 5x equals minus 25. X equals minus 25 by 5. X equals minus 5. Therefore, the value of x is minus 5. Question 4 is x minus 5 by 3 equals x minus 3 by 5. 5 into x minus 5 equals 3 into x minus 3. 5x minus 25 equals 3x minus 9. 5x minus 3x equals minus 9 plus 25. 2x equals 16. X equals 16 by 2. X equals 8. Therefore, the value of x is 8. Question 5 is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 plus t equals 2 by 3. Now the LCM of 1, 3, and 4 is 12. 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 4 into 2t plus 3 plus 12t by 12 equals 2 by 3. 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12 plus 12t by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. 13t minus 18 by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. 3 into 13t minus 18 equals 2 into 12. 39t minus 54 is equal to 24. 39t equals 24 plus 54. 39t equals 78. T equals 78 by 39. T equals 2. Therefore, the value of t is 2. Question 6 is m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. m minus 1 by 2 plus m minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Now the LCM of 1, 2, and 3 is 6. 6m minus 3 into m minus 1 plus 2 into m minus 2 by 6 is equal to 1. 6m minus 3m plus 3 plus 2m minus 4 by 6 is equal to 1. 5m minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1. 5m minus 1 is equal to 6. 5m equals 6 plus 1. 5m equals 7. M equals 7 by 5. Therefore, the value of m is 7 by 5. Thanks for watching.